What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Sundown Audio unofficial YouTube channel. My name's Derek, and welcome back to what I'm calling for right now, Project SPL. So right here, we got our new project here at Sundown. Gonna be building this 1993 Chevrolet Blazer for Super Street. So the first thing we're doing, first thing anybody serious about SPL should do, full teardown. Tear this thing all the way down to the bare metal. So that's what we're going on right now. You see we already got some door panels pulled, working on getting the plastics out the back. I want to give you all a glimpse here. The door panels, if anybody needs a really nice leather interior for an old square body Blazer, this one is in really good shape. Nice tan leather seats. The driver's seat has a small crack right there. That's it. Other than that, all the door panels, all the seats, all the plastics, the back seats look awesome. So if you need an interior, feel free to come pick it up free of charge. The entire interior is getting pulled. We're gonna get this thing gutted all the way down to the bare metal so we can get in here and do some sound deadening. Step number one, if you're serious about SPL, gut your vehicle and sound deaden it right. All right, guys, so here's where we're at. We got this whole inside this thing torn down, gutted, down to the bare metal. Give you all a glimpse here. Everything is stripped out. The panels, the carpet, the headliner. Let's give you all a quick look through what we're starting with. Door panels are out. Got a little bit of the factory deadener flopping down up here. But here's our platform to start with. Give you a look through. Yep. You talk about some room for activities. We got all the room in this. So, I mentioned before, this is going to be a DB drag Super Street vehicle. Now, to simplify Super Street, for guys that aren't familiar with it, essentially, everything up here, B-pillar forward, stock cabin. So, you can do some deadener, a little bit of spray foam, some basic stuff. For the most part, all this has to stay stock, including I gotta get my headliner back in here, gotta get my visors put back in. Currently, we do not need rear view mirrors, so that won't go back in unless the rules change. But for right now, this has to stay stock. We'll get in here, I'll do a bunch of sound deadener, get that work done, get some deadener work done on these doors. There's a little bit of some spray on deadener in there, but I don't think that's gonna make it. So yeah, we'll get in here, we'll do a bunch of deadening work up front. Out back, this is where the fun begins. So essentially, out back, you can do almost whatever you want. So stock cabin, B-pillar forward, extreme vehicle in the back. So if you wanna do steel, concrete, resin, sand mixtures, build whatever up, you can do it. The rules are almost wide open. You just have to keep your exterior skin of the vehicle stock. So whatever I want to do inside, again, steel, concrete, full on extreme vehicle, I can do that, and we're going to be going all out. Stay tuned to see everything step by step, the full shell build, everything. Now, I'll go ahead and tell you a little sneak peek preview. Super Street rules in DB Drag. I know some other organizations don't let you do this, but DB Drag does. We can do floor cuts. I will be doing a floor cut, getting a little bit of extra room back here where this floor steps up. Per the rules, the exterior skin of the vehicle only applies to the side and the roof. So we can do a floor cut, drop this down a little bit, get some batteries down there, stuff like that. So that's going to be happening. The fender wells will be getting cut out. Give me some more room in here to square the enclosure off. But yeah, basically next step is get in here up front, do some sound deadener, get in here in the back. We're gonna do some work, get this cut out, see how much room we gotta play with. Then I'll get on a computer, start sketching up some designs, see what I can do as far as enclosure. Right now, gonna play around with some different cone area options, try out a few things. Stay tuned to see what we're gonna do there. But yeah, next step, sound deadener, cutting, then start on building the shell. Now I say shell, this is gonna be a huge bandpass, 4th order. All this is gonna be one big shell, as large as we can build it. Then I'll get inside, build some tubes, play around with cone area, sub placement, that type of stuff. So I'll have all the subs back here, firing forward. Huge port area here at the B pillar, trying to load that mic on the windshield. Now this is DB drag, so mic has to go up here on the glass, on the windshield. Vehicle has to remain sealed. We're not worried about kick panel scores. And that's it. So if you like SPL builds or you're just interested in seeing this one, remember to click that thumbs up button, like, subscribe, share, ring the bell for notifications, come back, keep track. Project SPL. Catch y'all later, guys.